looks and works. We're gonna cut down here. It's really terrible. I don't know how bad this is. This field, and like lower lot of our house here, it's a disaster. Let's walk around a little bit first and see how it is. So you see the before and afters. But this grass is like, and weeds, it's over 12 inches tall. Some of these are like 18 inches. How big this field of weeds is here. I mean, I don't want to step up and get bitten by snakes. Those weeds there are about 3 feet. Maybe, yeah, it's about 30 inches right there, at least. Maybe 30 inches. Maybe all this stuff on here. Let's see how it is. Look at that. We cleared out this field here. And we still got battery. I haven't charged this thing up yet. We've been cutting probably, I don't know, 35, 45 minutes already. We got enough done. I'm ready for a beer. I don't know why anyone wants battery more than an hour. This is an hour battery here. You gotta have beer, take a break. And this amazing Ego electric lawnmower, 56 volt at Home Depot. Here's the information.
Which lawnmower did you want?
Oh, that one right up there. I came in yesterday. They were supposed to bring down a new one from the top. Yeah, that's right.
Ego that's sitting right here on the floor?
Yeah, the two open boxes. So I spoke.
So is the battery charging? It comes at 25% filled. This is for a size comparison. It's a pretty large battery. That's how big it is. It's as big as wide as a Lowe 409. Runs tall too. Okay, this is amazing. Fully charged in 25 minutes. That's a 4 amp battery. Amazing. Okay, so this is the whole setup here. It's like a little car. It's pretty amazing. Alright, it's fresh out of the box. Never used before, brand new. Just open this thing up. It's April 2015. Let's see, it says full extend rails. Press in to unlock. Okay. Oh wow, this is amazing. Nice, very nice mechanics here. Engineering. Amazing. Let's see, so then you fully extend the side rails and lock clamps. Okay, so I assume these are locked already. Let's open them up. Whoa, very easy to open. They got little plastic knobs here. I don't know how strong that is actually. If you push too hard, you might be able to snap those off. Imagine that has happened before. But it is easy, nice and tight. Okay, that's how that works. It's very good quality. Little plastic knobs. You must have figured that these are strong enough. Here, goes right in the hole. Holds them in place. It's ready to go. Yep. That will be it. Wow. The most powerful lithium-ion battery in the industry. It's like a little go-kart. This is cool. Alright, we're going to get this thing ready to go, figure out how to do this thing. Yes. Alright, let's get this together. I guess you open the thing up and put the battery in there. Yeah, looks like that. Let's try it. It's like a little car. Alright. Let's get the battery. That's it. Nice. It's like a car. Amazing. That's it. Huh. So the reviewer was right. That Doesn't look like grass or dirt to get in here. Nice if there was a little gasket sealing this thing. But anyway, we'll run it and see how it is. Alright, I'll get the bag set up.
Thank you for watching. Check out part 2 of this video series for action.
Oh, it out. That's pretty nice. Did really well. Alright, go. Ego. Lawn Mower 20-inch, 56 volt. Available at Home Depot, $4.99. Amazing buy. 10% discount. If you apply for a Home Depot card. Fully endorsed.